students of grade 7. Today we are doing Secondary Social Studies by Peter Moss, chapter number 3, Main Agricultural Products of the Muslim World. Before starting chapter 3, let me explain what is agriculture. So, agriculture is the practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and breeding of animals to provide food, wool and other products. We can say that it's an occupation of the majority of the people living in the Muslim world. These countries produce a variety of agricultural products for their own use and also for export. There are different types of agricultural products which are wool, cotton, sugar, rubber, tea, coffee, cocoa, wheat and rice. Now we will start from wool. The fine, soft, curly or wavy hair forming the coat of a sheep, goat or similar animal, especially when shorn and prepared for use in making cloth or yarn. Now we will study about different features of wool. Number 1 is wool is best textile product. Next, woolen cloth keep the body warm. Harder and rougher wool is perfect for carpet making. Highest quality wool in the world comes from sheep in Kazakhstan. The next is the Muslim world supplies about 10% of the world's wool. And the other is Muslim countries included Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkey and Central Asian states are producing wool. Number 2 is cotton, a soft white fibrous substance that surrounds the seeds of a tropical and subtropical plant and is used as textile fiber and thread for sewing. Different features of cotton are: cotton is one of the world's leading agricultural crop. It is used as cloth, luxury material, thinnest and finest fabric, heavy canvas for tents and sails. It is very much comfortable to wear in hot climates. It is easily dyed and washed. Muslim countries produce 20% of the world's cotton. The leading cotton growing Muslim countries are Egypt, Pakistan, Turkey, Uzbekistan and Sudan. China is the world's biggest producer of cotton. Sugar. Sugar is a product obtained from the juice of sugar cane, a kind of a tall, strong grass. Now moving towards different features of sugar. Number 1 is sugar is used for many different purposes in food. The remains of the sugar cane bagasse are used to heat the furnace for boiling down the sugar solution. 1 ton of bagasse gives the same heat as 2 barrels of oil. Bagasse can also be used as animal food. Pakistan produces 3.5% of the world's sugar. Brazil is the world's largest producer, produces 33% of the world's sugar cane. Moving towards number 4 point, that is rubber. Rubber is a tough elastic polymeric substance made from the latex of a tropical plant or synthetically. Synthetically means it is manufactured in companies or factories, etc. Different features of rubber are: rubber is used in tires, in making hose pipes, belts of machinery, in shoes making, as an insulator in electrical equipment. Number next feature is the rubber tree was originally found in the Amazon rainforest. In 19th century, British scientists smuggled out some seeds and plants and grew them in Southeast Asia. Muslim countries are producing 20% of all the world's rubber. The main producing countries in the region are Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and some parts of India. Number 5 is tea, which is very much usable product of Pakistan. Almost all people like it, including young, kids, or old one also. So the tea is the evergreen shrub or small tree that produces tea leaves. Different features of uses of tea are: used as tea drink, oil is produced from tea seeds, used in cosmetics. Tea is also used in cosmetics. Muslim countries produces about 15% of the world's output of tea. 18% of all the tea grown in the world is drunk in Muslim countries. Moving towards number 6 point, that is coffee. Coffee is the word coffee comes from the Arabic word kahwa. It is a hot drink made from the roasted and ground seeds, coffee beans of a tropical shrub. Now, different features of coffee. One of the most valuable agricultural products. The coffee is one of the most valuable agricultural product. The use of this beverage originated from Arabia and was taken to other parts of the world by traders. It is discovered in the Somalia, Ethiopia, and after drinking keep you longer hours awake. Indonesia is the main producer of coffee in the Islamic world. Muslim countries produce 15% of the world's total supply. Other producing countries are Yemen, Ethiopia, and the Ivory Coast. Number 7 is cocoa, a chocolate powder made from roasted and ground cocoa seeds. Cocoa is made from the seeds of the cocoa pod. Different features of cocoa. Cocoa was discovered in Mexico, where cocoa was a drink of the nobles. It became popular drink in Europe in 17th century. Now almost all cocoa is grown in West Africa and Southeast Asia. Indonesia and Malaysia produce about 18% of the world's cocoa supply. Uses of cocoa are: it is used in making sweets and chocolates, cocoa butter in cosmetics and medicines, used as a form of money. Moving towards point 8, which is wheat and is very much important agricultural product. Almost is using all over the world. It is a cereal plant that is the most important kind grown in temperate countries, the grain of which is ground to make flour for bread, pasta, pastry, etc. Different features of wheat are Pakistan and Turkey are among the very few nations who produces much, and after fulfilling the country's requirement, it exports the excess amount. Pakistan and Turkey exports. Muslim world produces nearly 17% of the world's wheat. USA has fields measuring many hundreds of hectares and gigantic machines for planting and harvesting. Number 9 is rice, a swamp grass which is widely cultivated as a source of food, especially in Asia, and almost every Pakistani likes rice very much as a food. Different features of rice are: rice is a tropical equivalent of wheat. Rice is same as wheat, same agricultural product like wheat. Rice needs a great deal of water and heat. China and India are producing about 2/3 of the world's largest supply. Muslim countries, especially Indonesia and Bangladesh, grow over 18% of the total. The other agricultural product is palm oil, a widely cultivated tropical West African palm tree that is the chief source of palm oil. Its different features are: Malaysia is the world's leading producer, forms the base for soap industry, and can also be used as edible oil. Here are some countries and their products. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is producing jute, tea, rice and cotton cloth. Cote d'Ivoire is producing coffee and cocoa. Egypt is producing cotton, wheat, vegetables and oranges. Indonesia is producing cotton, timber and rice. Iran is producing fruit, pistachio nuts. Malaysia is producing palm oil, timber fruit. Morocco is producing fruit and vegetables. Pakistan is producing rice, cotton and fruit. Turkey is producing wheat, tobacco, fruit and vegetables. Saudi Arabia is producing dates, and Iraq is also producing dates.
Thanks for watching. Thank you.